Good morning, my dear students. So today in online teaching, I will continue the same chapter as I have started in my last video, Patol Babu Film Star by Satyajit Ray. So let's understand about the chapter Patol Babu. Half of the chapter I have explained already in my previous video, and in this video I am going to complete the full explanation for the chapter of unit number 4, chapter number 4. So let's start the chapter.
Patul Babu had not expected such news at the start of the day. That an offer to act in a film could come to a 52-year-old nonentity like him was beyond his wildest dreams. Well, yes or no? Asked Nishikanto Babu. I believe you did some acting on the stage at one time. That's true, said Patul Babu. I really don't see why I should say no. But let's talk to your brother in law first and find out some details. What's his name? Naresh. Naresh Dutt. He is about 30, a strapping young fellow. He said he would be here around 10:30. Buying provision in the market, Patul Babu mixed up his wife's orders and bought red chilies instead of something else. Patul Babu had a real passion for the stage. In fact, it verged on obsession in jantras, in amateur theatrical in plays put up by the club in his neighborhood. Patul Babu was always in demand. His name had appeared in handbills on countless occasions. Once it appeared in bold type near the top, Sitakanto Ray, Patul Babu in the role of Parasar. Indeed, there was a time when people bought tickets especially to see him. That was when he used to live in Kanchanpara. He had a job in the railway factory there. In 1934, he was offered higher pay in a clerical post with Hudson and Kimberley in Calcutta, and was also lucky to find a flat in Nepal Bhattacharya Ji Lane. He gave up his factory job and came to Calcutta with his wife. It was quite smooth sailing for some years, and Patul Babu was in his boss' good books. In 1943, when he was just toying with the idea of starting a club in his neighborhood, sudden retrenchment in his office due to the war cost him his 9 years old job. Ever since then, Patul Babu had struggled to make a living. At first, he opened a variety store which he had to wind up after 5 years. Then he had a job in a Bengali film firm which he gave up in disgust when his boss began to treat him in too high-handed a fashion. Then, for 10 long years, starting as an insurance salesman, Patul Babu tried every means of earning a livelihood without ever succeeding in improving his lot. Of late, he has been paying regular visits to a small establishment. Having a good memory, Patul Babu still remembers lines from some of his better parts. Listen, oh listen to the thunderous twang of the mighty bow Gandiva engaged in gory conflict, and to the angry roar of the mountaineers club whizzing through the air in the hands of the great Brikodara. It sent a shiver down his lines. Naresh Dutt turned up at 12:30. Patul Babu had given up hope and was about to go for his bath when there was a knock on the front door. Come in, sir. Patul Babu almost dragged the young man in and pushed the broken armed chair toward him. Do sit down. Oh, no thanks. Oh, yes, I must say I was quite taken aback. After so many years, I hope you have no objection. You think I will be all right for the part? Patul Babu asked with great diffidence. Naresh Dutt cast an appraising look at Patul Babu and gave a nod. Oh, yes, he said. There is no doubt about that. By the way, the shooting takes place tomorrow morning. Tomorrow, Sunday. Yes, and not in the studio. I will tell you where you have to go. You know Faraday House near the crossing of Bentinck Street and Mission Row. It's a 7-story office building. The shooting takes place outside the office in front of the entrance. We will expect you there at 8:30 sharp. You will be through by midday. Naresh Dutt prepared to leave, but you have not told me about the part, said Patul Babu anxiously. Oh, yes, sorry. The part is that of a pedestrian, an absent minded, short tempered pedestrian. By the way, do you have a jacket with buttons up to the neck? I think I do. You mean the old fashioned kind. Yes, that's what you will wear. What color is it? But the problem was that he was still not given the dialogue. He asked for his dialogue, and Naresh asked his colleagues Sosanko and Jyoti to give the lines to Patul Babu. Jyoti tore off a page and wrote something and gave it to Patul Babu. The word "O" was written on the page. Patul Babu became very sad to see that his dialogue was just the word "O." As he was sitting dejected, a faint memory stirred up in his mind. It was Mr. Prakashi Patul Babu's mentor who had advised him never to consider any role small and to put in his maximum effort to perform it to his utmost capability. He rehearsed his dialogue and spoke the word "O" in different pitches and feelings. He realized that he could present the role and dialogue in many ways and was keen to perform well. Patel put in his best and performed well. He was so satisfied with his performance that he felt that taking money would undermine his efforts, and so he left the stage alone. So, this is all about the story Patel Babu, film star, through which a 52-year man was just have the story through this chapter. I hope that you have understood. Thank you. God bless you.